So how to fix Facebook Messenger not loading? So first thing you want to do is go to the settings and then open the apps manager. Now right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have. Click on Messenger and then click on the data usage right here and make sure to enable those four options as you can see, and then go back and click on force stop. That's the most important step. This option here, it's gonna be fixing the problem, trust me guys. And the last thing you want to do is restart your phone. If the problem is not solved yet, this means that you have problem with the network that you are connected to, so try to change it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.